Early mornings in Laguna. Ooh, wow, look at the mountains and all the cool plants. I like this. Keep birds out and stuff. Laguna, Philippines. Oh, man, you can even barbecue up here. It's a great place. That's why it's so cold. The mountains up here. Look at the roof there. That's cool. Oh yeah. All right. If you listen carefully, there's different sounds of birds chirping all around, and you can see the morning fog here in Laguna. Check it out. If you look carefully, you can see it just moving across the mountains. See it? Epic. It's raining right now in Laguna, here in the mountains, and the rain smells very fresh for some weird reason. The cold, crisp air smells really good. I don't know why. It's like, I guess probably the mountains. It's nature. It's all good. You have longanisa, you have a pizza egg omelet. Look at that, looks delicious. Some tomatoes, I don't know what that is. Maybe onion and something else. Pizza egg for breakfast here in Laguna Mountains. Alright, we have what's this? Pasol? Pasol? Cheese pasol? Es pasol. From Laguna. Looks like a mochi. This is the Filipino version of mochi. Wow. Yeah, it's like mochi. I think it's like rice powdered with some sugar. Yeah, glutinous rice powdered with sugar. I'm not sure what this is, but Filipino mochi. Espasol. Look at the mountains right there. Egg pizza. Mate. Ayulin.
Ayungin.
Saan mo dito sa mahal sa Alright, the thing here about Laguna is it's actually cleaner. The air smells better. It's just a sense of clean. It kind of reminds me of Japan, to be honest. Like the streets and the way the houses are, like right near each other and gated, and the walkways and stuff. Kind of reminds me of Japan. It's like everyone has their own gate, you know? It's clean, there's no dog poo compared to Manila. Yeah. And I like how they have like these clean gutters. Look at that, there's like water running through that. You can see it. It's clean, man. Yeah. And it reminds me of Japan. Look at this little stream that they have near their houses. There's even fishes, like tiny fishes. I don't know if you can see it. Tiny fishes there. Okay, don't mind the spaghetti noodles and rice. But there is tiny fishes right there. You can see all of them. Yeah. That's cool, huh? Here in Laguna. Look at all those fish. I'm serious. There's tons of fishes. They got this huge statue over here. Look at that. Cool.
Mommy, guys, swim the pool.
Swim the road?
Baha na, baha.
Nasa swim pool.
Sige. Ate ngayon na oh. Diyan si tatay nag-iisda? Yan.
Oh, sino?
Tama ka Mark, bukas. Dami water lily.
Ano nangyari nun sa ano? Pumunta lang kayo dahil. Parang mga alas 6 lang kayo.
Umalat ako.
Mag-isa lang kayo.
Ganyan dati sa amin ng piyesta, no ma?
Ano natin?
Miles, gusto mo decor yan, Miles?
Ayan, anong church yan? Dumaan tayo doon.
Yung church.
Oo nga.
Wild. I don't think you could swim over here, but look at that. This is Tai Tai Falls. Look at that. It's getting crazy.